if you want to have access to lists in ReelShort, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up the ReelShort app, and you're gonna be able right here to see my list. Go ahead and click on it at the bottom middle, and you're gonna be able right here to see my list, the shows or the basically that the video the TV shows that I want to watch, and I'm gonna be able to add them to my list. Unfortunately, I can't click them because that means that that may result in legal action because they will play the video immediately. So basically, you're gonna be able right here to access the list, and you can click the pencil right here to basically edit your list if you want to remove any show from here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.